Building a TikTok following felt like embarking on a thrilling adventure. It started with the first few videos, clumsy yet authentic, each garnering just a handful of views. Thinking about going live on TikTok? Here's what you need to know. You need at least 1,000 followers. Without this, the Go Live option won't appear on your account. You must be at least 16 years old. And if you want to receive virtual gifts during your live streams, you'll need to be 18 or older. Don't have 1,000 followers yet? Here are some tips. Collaborate with other creators. Teaming up can help boost your reach and grow your audience faster. Post consistently with engaging content. The more active and creative you are, the more likely you'll attract followers. Some people try buying followers, but be careful. That can go against TikTok's rules and might get your account flagged. In some cases, users have contacted TikTok support, claiming they used to have access to Live. Sometimes it works, but no guarantees. The safest and best way to unlock Live is to build your audience organically.